All right, so here's the first power on. We'll see if this works. I got the cables installed, and hopefully this thing doesn't catch on fire. All right, it's doing something. Found the hard drive, it looks like. It's doing some beeps. Looks like the drive indicator on the Megafile's doing something. Looks like I got a bad alignment on the one light there. I need to work on the faceplate, I guess. All right. So I guess this is kind of the state that things are in normally. So go over to the TT here. I'm going to turn this thing on. Now this is an internal SCSI drive. And so that should read off of that. And we're going to boot. So there's the normal drives, and then anything past there is on the Megafile. All right, look at that, drive G. We will see here. Let's see if there's anything in G. And look at that, there is. Holy cow. Let's see if I can do a read and write here. Copy something over, I guess. Let's just copy that to G. Copied over. Hot dang, it works. I wonder what size it is. Probably 30 or 60 megabytes, maybe. It's like 65 megabytes. Wow. Crazy. Awesome.